Okay, Nana, what we are doing today?
We're going to do a butterfly. It's not an origami butterfly. You
Uh-huh.
guys remember that video where we learned how to make a butterfly, right?
Yeah.
But instead you need A4 paper, some markers so you can draw the designs, and scissors, cutting the wings. Okay, let's start.
Are we making a butterfly craft?
Yeah, it's a
Is it
craft.
your own design?
Well,
Did you learn it from somewhere?
I think,
Well,
it's my own design.
oh, that's good.
Okay, so we're going to start by folding the A4 paper in half. If you
Half,
don't
right.
have A4 paper, you can use paper from a book, but ask your parents first. Give it a crease. Okay, now we're going to keep it like that. Make sure those corners match. Make sure the corners match.
Yeah.
Wait, stop. Like I have to make sure mine. Now we're going to take our scissors and cut them into a butterfly shape.
How? Can you do it mine two together? Like holding two? Okay.
No. Give you the. I'll show you. Just have to draw something like an M. Like that.
Like
This.
so I have to start from, can I just draw with this?
It should be like half of a mountain. It should be like
Can I
half of the
use yours
big
as a
mountain.
tracing paper?
Yeah, you
Yeah.
can.
Yeah.
You can use mine as a
Yeah,
tracing
can I-
paper, of course.
Yeah. I'll do it.
Wait, I'll draw it for you. If you're struggling, you can just draw your butterfly shape.
Wait, let me put. Just place it in the right place. Yeah. Can
Okay,
you draw
good
it?
job. If you're struggling with drawing it, you can ask one to
Your
figure it out.
little grown up
Yeah.
to help you, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hmm. Oh. Okay, let me give it a try.
Okay, now cut it.
Uh-oh.
Now can you have mine
She
back?
knew.
Can you have mine back?
Yeah.
Can we swap? Can we swap, please?
Swap? Yeah, of course. Let me just cut this.
It's a little bit different.
Hmm?
Let's swap.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay. Now you have the shape.
Yeah.
Looks like half a mountain, right?
Yeah.
That's what it should be for yours. Okay. Wait, I'm just going to add a little more detail. You can have your own butterfly shape if you want. No, that's okay. You cut it. Did you hear what I said?
Mm-hmm.
It's okay.
So now what I need to do? I need to hold this.
It's okay. You can make your own butterfly shape.
But my butterfly is not looking like a butterfly.
I can help you cut it. I can help you cut it. I can help you cut it.
Remember, you were sharing your knowledge. So can you put it here?
Okay, here we go. It doesn't have to look the same, right?
Yeah.
Ours looks different. I'll just add a little more detail to mine. It's okay.
Can you put it here?
I'm just doing because they don't have to do it like that. Mhm.
Yeah, but I need to see every step and follow along.
I'm just not every step. There we go. See how it looks like a butterfly?
Hmm.
Okay, now we're going to add some details. You
Yeah.
can use paint because it's much more
I'll
useful.
also cut like that.
I can help you.
I'll do it. I'll learn from you, right?
I'll do it.
You're teaching me, isn't it?
Open it up. You can see that they're the same on both sides.
Nice butterfly shape.
Yeah.
What's next?
Next, we're going to fold all the way down. Like that. Do the same with the other one. Make sure you get those wings lining up. Look at her. Can you show up again?
Oh, by the way, why are we swapping all the time?
Here's yours. And this one.
I'll just do a little correction here. So that matches to yours. Yeah. Now what? What's next?
You.
Again swapping?
Yeah, you can have a.
No, that's not fair. Yeah, that's okay. That's fair.
Yeah. Okay. If you want, you can add antennae. But for that, we'll need glue or tape. Okay, now we're going to draw our designs. Make sure they're the same on both sides. You can do your own designs. Me too. You can draw your own designs like always. Can you have that? I said you can draw your own designs.
Yeah, okay.
Draw your own designs.
Yeah.
Make sure they're bright and colorful. Are you drawing the face and body?
Yeah.
You can draw that if you want. But I think I'm going to glue mine.
Is it done?
Wait for mine.
Here.
You can take time to copy hours, each of ours.
Good nha. Nhô nhô nha. Đu 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 nhô. Ăn nó đu tao nhô. Ăn nhau 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 người nhô. Ăn nhau nha. Ăn nhau nha. Ma. We don't want that. We don't want that. Mama. Ginny, no. Ginny, no.
Okay, mommy's not finished. But you can stop playing if you want.
What?
You can stop playing if you want. You can stop recording if you want.
Why?